Welcome! Today I'm showing how to disable Quick Launch into XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021. First of all, open your settings and find additional settings. This one. Then here need to choose button shortcuts, and here will be your Quick Launch option on this device. So maybe let's try turn off first option, launch camera. Go into this option and then need scroll down and choose none. Then click back, and here we got launch camera none. So we disable Quick Launch to launch camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.